Hi everyone, welcome to day 10 of 30 Faces in 30 Days. Now that I've gone through a third of this challenge, I decided to do something a little different today. I saw on YouTube a couple of different methods to figure out how to place the features on a face in the right places, and I wanted to compare both of them and see which one I like best. So I started with the Reilly method, which is very detailed. And it's not that hard really. It's pretty easy to place all those lines. They really come together very nicely. But I thought that it was a bit messy because then once you've done all those lines on your paper, you need to erase them all to actually draw your face. So this might work well for digital art maybe, because then you can just undo them or work on different layers, but on actual paper, I don't find it very practical unless you're only practicing and just drawing those lines over and over again on the whole sketchbook, just so that you can start having the muscle memory and not having to use them as often. But it's nice to make you understand where the features are placed. But again, for sketch, I don't think it's very practical. So the second method I tried is the Loomis method, which I thought was a lot easier and faster because you can place the features a lot faster without drawing all those lines. But then again, I did not use the book. I went by what somebody was teaching on YouTube. They might have skipped some steps, I'm not sure. And I might be able to stop at this particular point with the Reilly method as well, because the Loomis method kind of starts the same way as the Reilly method. Regardless, I think I've got a good understanding on how to get started. And from that, I think for the rest of the challenge, I'm going to use what I just learned to double check and make sure that when I sketch people, the features are placed in the right spot and hopefully achieve a better likeness. So sorry, the sketches today aren't super elaborate, but I think it was a great exercise for me. I'm hoping that it's going to be a great help along the way. And that's it. Thank you all for stopping by. I'll see you tomorrow with day 11 with something probably a bit more interesting, hopefully. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new here, please consider subscribing to this channel. Have a wonderful day, everyone. Bye-bye.